Hello and welcome to MONEYWAY TV. To all our returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting us and being part of the amazing community. And if you are new here, you are especially welcome. This channel is dedicated to teaching practical soap making, cosmetic production, household products, entrepreneurship, and small-scale manufacturing that can help you start and grow your own business. At MONEYWAY TV, our goal is simple: to share practical knowledge, reproduction method, and business opportunities that anyone can learn and apply. Before we continue, please take moments to support this channel by clicking the like button, sharing the video with your friends, subscribing to the channel, and turning on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the future training videos. Your support helps us create more educational content for everyone. Now let us move straight into today's soap production training. In this video, I will show you the complete process step by step, explaining the purpose of each ingredient and sharing important tips that can help you achieve quality results. So I will be using 4 liters of palm kernel oil, 4 liters of palm kernel oil. I have my caustic soda here. This is 1 kg of caustic soda. I have my sulfate. This is 1.5 kg of sulfate. I have my soda ash, which is 500 grams of soda ash. I have my calcium. I'll be using 5 kg of calcium. Yeah, I have my phenol. This phenol is worth 800 naira. I have my color, which I will add to taste. And I have my perfume. This is the ingredients that I have mentioned and the quantity that I used and the amount of price in naira that I used in buying it. So first thing first, I'll be pouring the 4 liters of oil into this container that I want to use for the mixing of the soap. Next, I will share my 10 liters of water into 2, and inside 5 liters of water, I'll be adding my caustic soda. I will dissolve the caustic soda in 5 liters of water. That is what you are seeing me doing. You stir it very well. Make sure you stir it and make sure that nothing is settled on at the bottom of the bucket. This is very hot and dangerous, so you be careful while pouring it. So I'll be pouring it into the oil that I poured in this. And I will mix it very well.
Number 2 is for those who season now.
Mix it very well and make sure that everything is evenly distributed. I'm noticing that this container I'm using now is leaking at the bottom. Wow, so I have to transfer everything into this yellow bucket. So this yellow bucket, I've transferred everything into that place because this bucket is leaking. Let me find something and amend it. So meanwhile, I'll be carrying out the remaining mixing in that bucket, yellow bucket. So now I have added my 5 kg. I added 4 kg of caustic calcium into the remaining 5 liters of water. Do you understand me? What you are looking at now is the next step of using the remaining 5 liters of water. So I added 4 kg of calcium into it. The remaining 1 kg will be added at the end of the production when we have gotten the soap batter. So now I'm trying to dissolve, mix, agitate thoroughly so that there will not be any lumps at the bottom of the bucket of water.
Challenges life yo to mu ẹ̀dá dákẹ́ ẹ̀yìn rẹ̀ ò dọ̀ràn gbogbo tá a bá ń dojúkọ nílé ayé.
Sulfate into it. Remember, this particular batch of water is where I will add the other ingredients into. Do you understand? The first 5 liters was only caustic. The second 5 liters will contain the calcium, the sulfate, and the soda ash, which I will mix very well. This is the soda ash now that I'm adding. I will mix it very well. Make sure you mix very well and nothing is settled at the bottom. Take your time and turn it very, very. I'm now into the oil and caustic mixture and turning everything together. So after mixing thoroughly, I will be leaving it untouched for the next 30 minutes before I will come back to the product. So the 30 minutes have elapsed and I am turning it again. No, I covered it for 30 minutes and that 30 minutes have elapsed. I will stir very well, very well. and look at if you can see the soap back, you should know that the soap is good and I got it right. So what is really playing out here now is that you know that I told you that that's my container is leaking. So what I'm trying to do now is I want to allow the soap to thicken more, so that by the time, though I have repaired the container, so by the time I will be pouring into that container, it will be thick. So as soon as I melt that soap, I will now add the remaining additives and then, you know, pour the soap. The soap is already okay now. If assuming I want to abide by cold process, this is cold process soap.
You be my strength when I am weak, my God. You be my joy when I am sad. You are my dagba for me, nígbà tó bá sùn mí ọkọ mi. My God. Wàá máa jẹ́ okun fún mi nígbà tó bá sùn mí sá. My God. You will be my strength. Ọlọ́run máa jẹ́ mo jẹ́ agbára mi. You will be my strength. Alátìlẹ́yìn jẹ́ agbára mi. Ọlọ́run máa jẹ́ mo jẹ́ agbára mi. Ọlọ́run máa jẹ́ mo jẹ́ agbára mi. Ọlọ́run mi, ìwọ Ọlọ́run mi, Ọlọ́run mi, ìwọ lágbára mi o, ìwọ lágbára mi, ṣó máa sọ̀rọ̀ kó lóko jẹ́. Ṣé o máa sọ̀rọ̀ kó sọ pé wọ́n kọ́ ló sọ Ọlọ́run máa jẹ̀mọ́ rárá o, ẹni tó ló máa lọ́lá tí ò tí ì lọ́lá, ojú ló pẹ́ sí o, àgàn tó sọ pé ó máa bímọ ojú ló pẹ́ sí o. Àmẹ́mú mi dídí dùrìlẹ̀ lókè olè lọ́sẹ̀ olórí olóko lè wúdà. Ojú ló pẹ́ sí o. And Isaac sowed in the land. In that same year, he reaped 100-fold. My God. Gbogbo ẹ̀dá tó sunkún ìlérí ọjọ́ tó ti pẹ́, yóò dàbí ìgbàpọ̀ ọjọ́ tí ń lọ, bó ti ń pẹ́ jù o. Ẹ̀yin wọ̀nyí ẹ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ mi sí yín. Wò mí o, wò mí o, wò mí o, wò mí o ọ̀rẹ́ mi. Ìwọ tó ti sú yìí, ìwọ ni mò ń bá wí. Lẹ́kún padà lẹ́kan ayọ̀ ń bọ́ lówùrọ̀ níwé mímọ́ wí. Ẹni pápẹ́ fún dìde kó gbàgbá o. Wọ́n ti gbé ọ̀rọ̀ Olúwa kò ní lọ.
I'm adding my phenol and I will stir it very well. I will stir it very, very well. At this stage, this phenol may make the soap batter watery again. Don't be afraid. Just continue to stir. Do you understand? And as soon as it's watery, just off the heat, the source of heat. Bring it down from the fire and add up the remaining additives and pour.
Now you have waited, but now is the time. We are going to release a command that my brother will.
So the next thing we are going to be looking at is adding our color. So I'll be using, you know that I used to add color initially, but I forgot. So here I'm going to be adding yellow oil color, and I will dissolve it in a solvent. In this case, I want to use pine oil. So that is the next thing I'm going to be doing now. I'm going to dissolve so that it will be liquid before I pour it into this soap batter. Do you understand? So that's the reason, since I missed it in the initial time when I was supposed to add the powder directly to the oil and before even adding caustic soda. But be that as it may, we are always right. I can only be right. I can never be wrong. I can either be right or left. So I'm going to add it any moment from now. I'll be adding my perfume. I just add my perfume now, and I'll continue to mix until everything blends well. I'm adding the remaining calcium, 1 kg calcium. You know, we started with 5. We said we are going to be using 5 kg, but we started with 4 kg into the water solution. Yes, we are done. We are done. We are now pouring. I made a small carton. I don't have mold at home, so I will be using this carton for mold. So I've poured in the first one. I'm pouring the second one now. This formulation is approximately 20 kg, 20 liters, because it filled that container, that paint container. Can you use 4 liters of palm kernel oil and do a soap that will fill this container from your own formulation? Let me know in the comment section. Yeah, we are done. This is the next day. I've left it that night against this morning, so it have solidified. Let me remove the carton. This is the bare soap. I've removed it from the carton. Strong. We will start cutting and start selling. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and always reach out to me on the comment section or follow my WhatsApp call in case of any inquiry. Thank you and God bless you.